This is not a sponsored ad, though it serves as my personal experience using Safer's insecticidal soap to eliminate aphids through a physical mechanism of action rather than chemical poisoning. What you are seeing in this video is the application of the product through a touch-up spray gun set on low pressure. How it works. The product contains potassium salts of fatty acids as its active ingredient, which works by weakening the waxy protective outer shell of soft-bodied insects like aphids. Once this protective coating is compromised, the soap penetrates the insect's cellular membranes, causing rapid dehydration and death within hours. This contact-based insecticide is particularly effective against soft-bodied insects, including aphids, mealybugs, spider mites, and whiteflies. Research shows that when green peach aphids come into contact with a 2% soap solution, approximately 95% of adults and 98% of nymphs die within 48 hours. For optimal results, the concentrate should be mixed at a ratio of 1 part soap to 50 parts water, or 2.5 fluid ounces per gallon of water. Thorough coverage is essential as the soap only kills insects it directly contacts. For aphid control specifically, it's recommended to examine plants after 2 days and reapply if needed, with applications typically needed every 7 to 10 days or weekly for 2 to 3 weeks to manage infestations. The product breaks down naturally within 7 to 10 days and is OMRI listed for organic gardening, making it safe to use up to the day of harvest on fruits and vegetables.